Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video I'll show you a useful tip that how you can use Bing camera search or the image search. For example, on your Chrome browser or any browser right from your mobile, you can browse through bing.com. See here, bing.com. So this is the home page what it loads, and right after the search there is a camera symbol or a snap symbol to take snaps here. This is actually to take the pictures and search with the image. I'll show you a small example which will be pretty impressive. I'll just click on this. I'll just take my laptop picture here. So this will bring up all the related searches. See here, actually my laptop is Lenovo laptop only. If you observe, I'll click on here. See here, Lenovo laptop only. So this will bring up all the web related searches regarding this one, Lenovo IdeaPad 320 keyboard. See here, and this includes some online shopping cart websites like ebay.com and Amazon. So if you want, someone want to have look at the products to buy, purchase something like that, you can directly search with this image search. See here, yeah. So not only this, any product. For example, when you're on a road or in a shopping complex, and if you want to buy an item what you have observed there, by just clicking on the picture you can open this Bing and you can just take a snap here. For example, I'm clicking on my projector here, projector picture. So this will bring up all the website related searches regarding this product. So in this way this image search will be really useful. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.